I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what's linked. Check the current Google account and backup channel settings and uploads. Once done, open YouTube and click your avatar. Choose Switch Account or Sign Out so you can add another account. Make sure you have the new Google account email and password, plus two-step verification ready if enabled. This avoids interruptions, because switching mid-upload or without credentials will stall access and complicate channel ownership tasks later. Now add or switch accounts. Click your avatar, choose Add Account, and sign in with the new Google credentials. Use secure networks and avoid public Wi-Fi. Once added, you can click Avatar, pick Switch Account, and select the profile you want to use on YouTube. If your channel uses a brand account, go to Settings, then Permissions to add a manager or transfer ownership. This ensures the channel stays linked correctly and prevents accidental transfer. Finish by verifying everything. Check channel access, subscriptions, playlists, and monetization settings to confirm the new account has correct permissions. If you need to transfer ownership, invite the new owner from brand account settings and ensure they accept within 7 days. If something fails, clear browser cache and cookies, sign out and sign back in, and recheck Google account permissions. This usually fixes token or permission sync issues. If problems persist, retry the invite or use a different browser to rule out extensions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.